Imagine this. You're juggling 3 credit cards, each one screaming for attention. Minimum payments barely dent the balance. And that interest? It's like a sneaky thief stealing your hard-earned cash every month. Meet Alex, a regular guy in Texas. Loves his family, works a steady job. But those cards? From vacations, emergencies, and just because buys. Now he's paying $500 a month, mostly interest. Feels like running on a treadmill, going nowhere. The problem? Credit cards love high interest, rates up to 25%. You pay minimums, balances grow. It's a trap designed to keep you hooked. Months turn into years, stress builds. Sleep? Forget it. But here's the twist. Your brain plays tricks. We think, I'll pay it off soon, or one more purchase won't hurt. It's called optimism bias. We underestimate debt's grip, ignore the math until it bites hard. Lesson 1, consolidate. Lump those debts into one loan. Lower interest, one payment, simpler. Lesson 2, BestEgg makes it easy. Personal loans for debt payoff. Rates as low as 5.99% for good credit. USA-focused, quick approval, no hidden fees. Lesson 3, calculate savings. Say you owe $10,000 at 20% interest. Minimum payments? Years of pain. With BestEgg at 8%? Pay off faster. Save over $300 monthly on interest alone. Lesson 4, build better habits. One payment frees your mind. Less stress, more control. Use that extra cash wisely. Maybe start an emergency fund. Picture Alex now, consolidated with BestEgg. Pays $200 less monthly, balances drop, he sleeps better. Even treats the family to pizza night. Debt under control. Ready to flip your script? Check out BestEgg today. See if you qualify. Small step, big relief.